Hello everyone, myself Soumyaditya Chand, Assistant Professor of Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering in Modern Engineering College, Baleswar. Today we are discussing and demonstrating the AND gate operation. In digital electronics, there are different types of gates are there. AND gate, OR gate, NOR gate, XOR gate, but AND gate operation are different. So today we are discussing and demonstrating the AND gate operation. Here the symbolic diagram of the AND gate, the two inputs A and B are there and one output Y is there. In Boolean formula we are representing the AND gate operation, that is output Y is equal to A dot B, and the truth table of the AND gate is, that is A, B, the two inputs and the final output. So that is, there are four possibility, that is 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So if the two inputs is 0 0, then the output will be 0. The input is 0 1, the output is 0, and 1 0 0. But in case of the 1 1, means if the two inputs is 1 1, means the two pulses are there, then only the final output will be 1. Otherwise rest of the output will be 0. So by performing the AND gate operation, we are trying the IC 7408 IC. So this is the IC 7408. This is the IC 7408. You can now see the IC. Here one demarcation is there, deep demarcation is there, that is called notch, and that notch is will be one sided, and from the notch, from the downside we are counting the pin number, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and other side 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So that is total 14 numbers of pins are there in one IC. So here we are demonstrating the AND gate operation. We are connecting this IC one breadboard. So here is the breadboard. You can see we are placing the IC here, and there are 14 numbers of pins is there. And let's see the IC diagram here. That is the IC diagram of IC 7408, and you can vividly see the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 numbers of pins are there. The 1 and 2 pins are the inputs, the 3 pins are the outputs, 4 and 5 are the input and 1 and input 2, 6 is the output, and the 7 pin is generally we are grounding it, that is the ground pin, and the 8 number pin is the output, and similarly 10 9 is the input and the 11 is the output, and 13 and 12 is the input, and the last pin, that is 14, is the VCC, that is the voltage pin. We are giving the supply through this pin, and here is the notch. So in this IC there are 4 AND gates are there, that is 1, that is 2, 3 and 4. 4 numbers of gates are there. The first gate is connected to 1 and 2 as the input and 3 as the output. The second gate is the 4 and 5 as the input and 6 is the output. The third gate is the 10 and 9 as the input 1, input 2 and 8 is the output, and similarly the fourth or the last gate is the 13 and 12 is the input and 11 is the output, and 14 is generally the VCC pin. So now we are demonstrating the AND gate operation using this IC. So let's see the breadboard. Here the breadboard is there. We are placing the IC on this position, and what we have to do is, first we have to connect the VCC, that is the plus 5 volt voltage through a wire to the 14 number of pin, that is the 14 number of pin we are placing the VCC current, or we are supplying the VCC current, and similarly the ground, the negative charge or the ground current, we are placing this wire to the ground. Thus the circuit is completed. Then the output. So in the point pin number 3, you can see vividly the pin number 3, 1 2 3. Here the output pin is 3. So we are placing directly, we are not placing the LED light, we are placing one resistor here, and the resistor is connected to this line, and there through a wire we are connecting to the LED point. And pin number 1 and 2 we are giving the input. Pin number 1 and 2 we are supplying the input. So by comparing the truth table we can demonstrate the IC operation. First, the two inputs are the 0. So we are placing the 2 in 0. 0 means the grounding position. Grounding position means this line, this point. So we are placing this point to this point, and see the output is 0, means the LED is not blinking or not glowing. Similarly, A is 0 and B is 1. B is 1 means we are placing at the VCC point, supplying voltage, and A is at the grounding point. So you can see obviously the input is 0. Sorry, the output is 0. So the third point you can see here A is 1 and B is 0. So A is 1 means we are placing this A point to this VCC point, and this point is to the grounding point, 0 point. So you can see there is no blinking of the LED. Finally, we are placing this 2 as 1 1, means the 2 is connected to the VCC point. So you can see finally the LED light is blinking, means if the input is 1 1, then only the output will be 1, otherwise the output is 0. And this is the final operation of the AND gate. So you can see in practical life how we can using the AND gate in our daily practical life. Means there was in a factory one Pepsi bottle is there, and here in the resting side 2 point is there, 2 input points is there, and 2 input point 1 and 2 input points is there connected to the AND gate, and this AND gate output is connected to one motor, and this motor is connected to the inlet side, means where the liquid is fill up to the bottle. If the bottle is placing in this position, means in this right position, means 1 and 2 is 1, means positive, then only the liquid is fill up to the bottle. Otherwise, if the bottle is placed slightly left side, means 1 is 1 and 2 point is 0, then no liquid is inlet to the bottle. Or otherwise, if the bottle is placing to the right side, means second point is 1 and first point is 0, then no liquid is inlet to the bottle. Or otherwise, if there is no bottle, means these 2 points are 0 0, then no liquid will be poured to the bottle. So the final one point chance is happen, means both the point 1 and 2 will be 1 1, then only in the right position, then only the liquid is inlet to the bottle. And this is the practical example of our AND gate. Thank you.